Got an ISO file and want to see what's inside without installing extra software? You can use 7-Zip to open and extract ISO files just like an archive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open an ISO, browse its contents, extract specific files, and unpack the entire image. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the ISO file you want to inspect. It could be a software image, backup, installation media, or another disk image. Before opening it, make sure the ISO came from a source you trust. Now right-click the ISO file and open the 7-Zip menu. Choose Open Archive. 7-Zip will display the contents of the ISO in its file manager, allowing you to browse the files without mounting the image. Inside the archive, you can browse folders and files just like you would in a normal directory. You can check the folder structure, look for specific files, and inspect the contents without extracting everything first. If you only need a few files, select them and click Extract. Choose the destination folder, then Confirm. 7-Zip will copy those selected files from the ISO to your chosen location. To extract everything, you can select the contents and choose Extract, or right-click the ISO file and use the 7-Zip extraction options. Pick a destination with enough free space, then start the extraction. 7-Zip will now unpack the files from the ISO. Large images can take some time, especially if they contain lots of data. So let the process finish before opening the extracted folder. When extraction is complete, open the destination folder and check the contents. You should see the same basic folder structure and files that were inside the ISO. This is also a good time to verify that the important files are present. One important thing, opening an ISO with 7-Zip is not the same as mounting it. 7-Zip lets you browse and extract the contents. If you need the ISO to behave like a virtual disk, Windows or another mounting tool may be more appropriate. And that's how to open ISO files with 7-Zip. You can browse the image, extract individual files, or unpack everything into a normal folder. Once you know the Open Archive option, it's really straightforward.